other thing is I travel all the time. Like that's my big, the love of my life is travel, right? That's where all the money goes that wasn't, saved up basically. And so packing, like I have one suitcase. I went to India for 6 weeks. It's one suitcase. Like everywhere I go, it's one suitcase. And so my girlfriend who came on to India with me for a while, she came to meet me. She had a big old, one of those gigantic, I could have fit in the suitcase. She's like,
You're like, what are you doing?
honestly, we're getting on the train. And I'm like, whoop, ready to go. And she's like, I got to struggle. We're getting the porters. It was just ridiculous, like an old fashioned trunk. So she's like, you got to write a course about this. I'm like, but everyone's doing this now. So I feel like I might have missed my moment.
This is so good. This is module one of what we talk about, which is belief. Remember, your experience has value to people who are unaware that it even exists. In other words, see what you're doing is you thinking everybody's doing that now. Everybody
Yeah.
can style people. Everybody is a travel blogger that can show you how to pack up properly. Okay. Do you know that would be like me saying, everybody's a speaker? E- Denise, it doesn't matter. When you do that, you're minimizing how big the world is. And and you well travel, so you know better. The
Mm,
world is humongous. What that means is just because everybody knows in your mind how to pack a bag and how to be efficient and this and that, remember this. Always remember this. 20,000 people just got fired. 20,000 people just got hired. 20,000 people just had a baby. 20,000 people just lost a loved one. 20,000 people just got divorced. And 20,000 people just got married. What's my point? The world is changing every second of the day.
yeah.
Your job is not to get 1 million people, Denise. Your job is to find 1,000 who want to roll with you over her and over him.
Mm,
You
hmm.
understand? When I created the Instinct series, I didn't go, well, Jim Rohn did the ant. I said, how can I get me a demographic where we do the tiger, the cheetah, the praying mantis, the jaguar, the snow leopard? You understand? I didn't
Yeah.
know ET is at the top of the world. I never catch him. I go, wait a minute. He's ET. I'm Brian B. I just need 2,000 people who want to rock with me.
Hmm.
Understand? So what happens is because things come easy to us, people like yourself and other people, we diminish the value of it and we don't think that other people want to hear it. I'm like, okay,
Mm.
well, guess what? There's somebody out there right now who is terrible at what they do, but they're making 6 figures a year. You know, I'm telling you, like they're not even really good at it.